Use. You see, whenever you try to create a product that everybody should use, there are certain things you must pay attention to. Especially when you're building for a global audience, you can't think small. You must think about how to create something extraordinary, a product that doesn't just solve one problem, but creates multiple solutions in one move. When you're designing for the world, your goal isn't just to fix a single pain point. Your goal is to discover something that has multiple implications, something that can impact different industries, different communities, and different types of people, all through one innovation. A truly global product is like a ripple in water. It doesn't stop where it starts, it spreads. It touches finance, communication, education, and creativity. It transforms the space it was born into and connects to spaces it was never meant for. That's the kind of innovation the world remembers. That's how you build not just a product, but a movement that defines the future. Point 1. The process of growth. As you build your product, you must understand something very important. Building a successful product, whether it's a tech solution or an AI system, doesn't mean you have to focus on only one thing. Sometimes building a product happens in different stages. It's a process of growth, refinement, and evolution. The truth is, there's no such thing as an unsuccessful product. There are only undeveloped products, ideas still in the process of becoming what they're meant to be. So build your product step by step. Fix the weaknesses, not by giving up, but by strengthening those weak points and learning from every challenge. Don't wait for perfection before you launch. Start with what you have. Grow with what you learn. Evolve as you go. Every improvement you make brings your product closer to excellence, so create space for constant development, because innovation never ends. It only advances. And that's how great products are built, not overnight, but over time. Point 2. The power of hybrid products. Now, the second point, the most successful products in today's world are hybrid products. Your product must be able to do more than one thing. It must combine multiple functions, technologies, or experiences into a single powerful ecosystem. We live in a generation that moves fast, adapts fast, and expects more. So your product needs to be spontaneous. It must be able to adapt to new demands, new markets, and new forms of interaction. A hybrid product is flexible. It can serve users in different ways, across different environments, without losing its identity or value. That adaptability is what makes it last. Because technology evolves, people evolve, and the only products that stay relevant are those that evolve with them. So when you design your product, don't limit it to one purpose. Build it with layers. Let it integrate AI, design, experience, and emotion, all in one flow. That's how you create something that not only works today, but continues to grow and dominate tomorrow. Point 3. Build from your core. And then there's something even more important, your core. You must have a core place of function, a foundation that defines where your strength lies. Ask yourself, is your core in cloud infrastructure? Is it in hardware? Is it in AI, data systems, or consumer products? You need to choose your starting ground, your signature base, the one place where your ideas can grow roots and expand outward. You can't evolve from everywhere at once. You must evolve from somewhere specific, a clear direction. So map out your strengths, understand your domain, and build your foundation there. Once you establish that core, you can expand, you can evolve, you can adapt and connect to other systems. But everything begins from your center of excellence. Because without a foundation, innovation collapses. But with a strong core, your vision can expand endlessly. Conclusion: building the future from here. So as you build, remember this: the world doesn't just need more products, it needs purposeful innovation. Innovation that solves problems. Innovation that adapts. Innovation that grows from a clear foundation. That's how you build global technology the world will use, not by copying what exists, but by creating what's next. And if you can hold that vision, if you can build patiently, creatively, and fearlessly, you won't just make a product, you'll make history.